Hi, good morning, everyone. So today we'll see how the levels which we posted yesterday, how they worked and what are the fresh levels for today. So the demand zones and the demand and supply, what we posted yesterday, they work very well. And today we can also look at fake breakouts one more time. So without wasting much time, let us look at the levels which we marked yesterday, how they worked and what will be the fresh levels for today. So right now you are looking on Nifty chart on my screen. It is 15 minutes chart, and yesterday we thought like this is the demand area which is like very far away, around 18,367. So as the level is very far away, what we did, we found some intraday levels on 5 minutes. So if you remember, even you can watch the yesterday video now. What we did yesterday, we marked this level and this level. On 5 minutes, we marked these two supply areas. So when it come to this area, we also explained this is level below level, level below level, and this could be a trap level. And to go short only when you see red candle from this zone. We also mark this trend line connecting over here. Now see what happened yesterday. There was a big green candle which broke the trend line. Trend line traders might got trapped if they don't know about the false breakout. So I was telling this again and again, when there is a breakout, wait for a candle to go, the next candle to go above that, then you'll get some confirmation. But we as demand and supply traders as well, we know this is the shorting area, and the very next candle, it came back below the trend line. Look at this 5 minutes demand zone, how well it worked yesterday. So it gave nice entry and there is no looking back. It was continuously falling like this. So this 5 minutes demand level worked very well. And if you gone through my earlier videos, you would know, like, even if you don't know about the supply area, at least you will know how to not get trapped in the fake breakouts. Okay. So now we don't consider this as a fresh level. And during the day, if you see, during the day, I told like to mark some day highs. Even if you mark anything like this, just connecting all the highs wherever possible. This is the area afternoon, almost after 2 o'clock somewhere. It said like, okay, now I am changing my trend from downwards to upward. And just to here, this is the area where you can go long. And how you maintain the stop loss, what you need to do, you need to mark the lows here again. Just try to connect the lows, and whenever it try to go below this, you can just come out of the trade. And this was a nice trade. Hero zero calls might have worked very well yesterday. This is the sort of move what people normally expect after 2:30, 3 o'clock, so that all the small premiums can grow into multifold. Fine. So let us look for the fresh levels today. First, I'll look on 15 minutes. And again, as usual, there are no nearby levels on 15 minutes. There is no nearby demand, or there is no nearby supply area. So we'll just look on 5 minutes charts quickly to see if there are any levels on 5 minutes. This is the level which formed yesterday around 17,925. This is the 5 minutes demand. And yesterday, this one already worked. So now we no longer consider this level. On 5 minutes also, the levels are very far away today. Maybe you need to be little patience, and during the day, if it form any small swing high or swing low, you need to connect the lows or highs to see the trend, and you need to trade. Otherwise, wait for the levels to reach. Once it come to the demand area, and if you see red candle, go for short. Or if it come to the, sorry, if it come to supply and if you see red candle, go for short. And if it come to demand and if you see any green candle, then go for long. This is on Nifty. Now quickly let me go to the 15 minutes on Bank Nifty. Let me show you how the levels which we marked worked yesterday. So just look at these two levels. We marked these two demand areas yesterday, and we clearly know when there are two levels, the first level could be a trap level. So in order not to get trapped in this level, what we do, we wait for a green candle to come out of this demand and there we enter long. Otherwise, the best area will be in between the two areas or at the bottom demand level. Just see how the first level trapped even demand and supply traders. So it came to the demand area. People who don't know how to trade level below levels or how to find out trap levels definitely should have got trapped in this level. And now the price has reached this demand area, second demand area, and see the reaction from the second demand area. These levels we mark before the market. We don't know where the market is going to come. We saw only two levels on 15 minutes, but we know how to trade when there are level below level. From the first level, if you see green candle, there we enter long. We didn't get that chance. We didn't see any green candle, so no entry over there. And on the next, it came to the second demand area and see how well it went from this. If you look at the low of this candle, this is almost 42,300. And the high of this candle, 650, almost 300 points move. That too you got on expiry day after 2:30 somewhere, which means this is the best time for traders. This is the best thing what traders expect, because such a move after 2:30 could give you good return, because whatever put or call you buy will be of very less premium that will become multiple times just within few minutes. So now I'll no longer consider these two levels as well. I'm just removing them. And if I want to look for today fresh levels, there are no nearby demand area for Nifty. Maybe the level which we marked yesterday from where it reacted could work again. But once it is tested, we don't consider that level. Now the fresh levels, what I'm seeing on Bank Nifty is only supply areas around 42,700. See, this is one supply area and the next supply will be around 43,200. And the demand is also very far away, around 41,500 area. So what we do, we'll simply go to smaller time frame and see if there are any nice levels on 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes, this is what we are seeing. This is a nice drop based drop, and even there was some price coming down from this level. So this you can consider this level 42,750 level will be your shorting area, and 42,450 will be your buying area. And again, if you are conservative traders, don't enter. See, in such formation, this is nice drop based drop, and if there was any nice follow through candle like this after a drop candle, if you see any follow through candle, if I have seen any follow through candle, I will take type 1 entry, which means I don't even wait for a red candle, green candle, or any other candle. So from, if it is supply, I don't wait for a red candle. The moment I see price going there, I immediately enter in short. But in such cases, if I don't see proper follow through, I wait for a red candle to start coming down. And if I see any red candle closing down this from this supply area, then I will try to enter short. And even here, this is a nice, there is follow through, but it is not strong follow through. So even I will wait for some green candle to close above the demand area. So then we can enter for long. So these are two nearby 5 minutes level. The range is very less. On the lower side, it is just 42,450, and on the higher side, it is 42,750. And if it starts breaking that level, we can look around 43,210. And on the lower side, there is another demand area around 42,200 area. So keep these levels, mark these levels on your chart, put some alerts and trade accordingly. I hope this will help you with your trading today. Before closing the session, I just want to show you some stock opportunity as well. Let me quickly go to Reliance chart. This will be positional. There is a nice demand area which is on daily chart of Reliance. So there is a nice demand area around 2460 levels. If you want to go long in Reliance, this is the area you can enter long. And if you want to short, or if you enter here and if you look for the opposite target, you can wait for this target, 2640. This is on the Reliance daily chart. Daily we'll try to post some chart levels, stock levels as well. So for today, just keep this Reliance level. I'm not sure if it give us entry today or in a couple of days, but you can rely on this level. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you with your trading.